Warning, what you're about to see is dangerously cute. Stick around till the end, because the last clip might just be the most adorable thing you'll see all day. But first, if you love this video, please like and subscribe to my channel or leave a comment. Family first, watch this cat mom in action. Tiny hooves, big energy. This baby horse is living her best life. Mirror, mirror, who's the cutest husky of all? Nap time? Not on this bird's watch? Jealousy level, expert. Watch this cat's reaction. If that made you smile, hit subscribe and stick around.